Good morning students, myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. So we have done this poem from unit number 7, A Watering Rhyme. So this poem tells about the time when we are supposed to water the plants. ये पोएम है जो हमें बताती है कि हमें किस टाइम पे प्लांट्स में पानी डालना चाहिए. According to the poet, who is the poet children? P.A. Ropes. So according to the poet, morning and evening time are the best. मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग टाइम सबसे बेस्ट टाइम है प्लांट्स को पानी देने के लिए. इफ़ यू वाटर द इवनिंग टाइम, इफ़ यू वाटर द प्लांट एट नाइट और ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम दे विल श्योरली डाई. हमें पानी को बहुत ही रात में और जब बहुत तेज़ धूप हो तब हमें पानी नहीं देना चाहिए. ऑल्सो द पोइट एडवाइज टू वाटर द रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. और लास्ट में पोइट हमें ये भी सजेस्ट करते हैं कि हमें प्लांट के हमेशा रूट्स में पानी देना चाहिए. बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेयर दे हैव देयर माउथ. बिकॉज रूट्स में ही उनका माउथ होता है जहाँ से वो वाटर फूड गेन करते हैं. ओके, so that's all in this poem children. Now come to new words. R, H-O-U-R, R. यहाँ पे H silent है, we will say R. Okay, we will not say hour, we will say R. R क्या होता है? टाइम. और 1 hour में कितनी मिनट्स होती हैं? 60 minutes. Watering, W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering. Watering means making something wet, to water the plants. Noonday, N-O-O-N-D-A-Y, noonday. Noonday means afternoon, the middle of the day. Boots, B-O-O-T-S, boots means shoes, footwear that covers the whole foot and lower leg. Okay. Soak, S-O-A-K, soak. Soak means immerse in water, and you can say to make something wet by dipping it. Heat, H-E-A-T, heat means garmi, high temperature. Okay, now we will discuss question. First question is, what is the best time to water the plants? So what is the best time to water the plants? Morning, early morning and evening time are the best time to water the plants. Question number 2, when should we not water the plants? We should not water the plants during the daytime, mid time. Okay. Question number 3, which part of the plant should be watered? So जो प्लांट्स का कौन सा ऐसा पार्ट है जहाँ पे हमें पानी डालना चाहिए? सो आंसर विल बी रूट्स. ओके, नाउ प्लेस लेटर्स इन देयर राइट ऑर्डर टू फॉर्म द नेम ऑफ फ्लावर्स. वी कैन सी देयर आर सम फ्लावर्स नेम. दीज आर jumbled. We have to unjumbled these words. Okay, so this flower's letter starts from S. So what's the name this flower children? Sweet pea. So what's the spelling? S-W-E-E-T-P-E-A, sweet pea. Next is marigold. So what's the spelling? M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Next is jasmine. What word will be? Jasmine, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Next word will be lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Okay. Next word will be mogra, M-O-G-R-A, mogra. Next word be dahila, D-A-H-I-L-A, dahila. Next word be P-H-L-O-X. This word will be pansy, P-A-N-S-Y. And last word will be H-I-B-I-C-U-S. hibiscus. So you have to learn these flowers name: sweet pea, marigold, jasmine, lotus, mogra, dahlia, phlox, pansy and hibiscus. Okay. Now come to fun time activity. You have visited your school garden and seen different kinds of plants, shrubs and trees. This grid has the names of different parts of a tree. Look for these words: bud, pod, leaf, stem, roots, thorns, branches and flowers as fast as you can, vertically, horizontally and diagonally. So here these words are hidden. We have to find out. It can be vertical, horizontal and diagonal. Okay, so first word क्या है? bud, bud. So here b, then ud, bud. Next pod, pod. Here pod. Leaf, leaf. Here leaf. Stem, stem. Stem, here stem. Roots, roots here roots. Roots. Thorns, thorns. So thorns किधर है? Here thorns. Thorns. Branches, here branches. Branches. And last is flowers. Where's the flowers? Flowers, here flowers. Flowers. Okay, like this you will do this activity. Now let's talk. Do you have a garden at home? Yes, I have a garden at home. If you had not, so you can answer no. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. You have to write the flowers name which you have in your garden. I have rose, marigold flower in my garden. Give another word for thirsty feet. Thirsty feet we can say roots. Okay. Question number 4. What happens when we water plants in the morning? Choose one answer. They will grow well, they will dry up. अगर हम अर्ली मॉर्निंग में पानी देंगे तो क्या होगा? They will grow well. From where do flowers get water? From the bottom roots. From the top leaves. कहाँ पे से पानी, कहाँ से वाटर लेते हैं वो? कहाँ पे होता है उनका माउथ? रूट्स में होता है. So from the bottom. Okay. Now pick out the silent letters from these words. R, here H is silent. Neat, K silent. Wrong, W silent. Doubt, B silent. Often, T silent. No, K silent. Night, N silent. Could, L silent. Right, W silent. Knife, K silent. High, G silent. Walk, L silent. Now write rhyming words for the words given below. One has been done for you. Morning का, evening. These are rhyming words. car का rhyming word क्या होगा? far. high का sky. boots का roots. heat का beat. wear का hair. These are rhyming words. Now words like morning, evening, watering and in ing, write 6 more words to which ing can be added at the end to form a new word. You have to write your own self, like we can say amazing. Okay, amazing. Here is ing. killing. So we have to add in the end ing. Okay. Next is look for words in the poem which sound like the words given below. R का rhyming word क्या है पोइम में? R, HOUR. देयर का THEIR. फ्लावर का फ्लावर. वेयर का wear, sun का sun, through का throw, THROUGH, throw. Okay. In the sentence below, the capital letters, commas, full stops and question marks are missing. Put these in the correct place. On Monday I will go to school. Here comma is missing and full stop is missing, so we will add comma and full stop in it. Next is Rahim, Ravi and Raju are going to see the circus. Here comma, here 2 commas and 1 full stop are missing. Sita, comma will become there and Sita, where are you looking? Here will come question mark. The tailor, and फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर होता है वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर में होता है. यहाँ पे आर क्या है, स्मॉल में है, तो यहाँ पे कैपिटल में आएगा रहीम. ओके. हेयर ऑल्सो एस इज इन स्मॉल लेटर, पर किस में आएगा, कैपिटल लेटर में आएगा. द कैपिटल लेटर में आएगा. द टेलर वेंट टू द मार्केट, मिस्टर के बाद डॉट आएगा, फुल स्टॉप, एंड आफ्टर दैट फुल स्टॉप. Every Sunday I go for a walk, have breakfast, read story books, listen to music and watch television. Every capital letter will come. Every Sunday comma, walk के बाद में comma, have breakfast comma, read story books comma, and after the finish the sentence full stop. Lakshmi, why are you crying? Lakshmi comma, then question marks. What is the color of the sky? Question mark. And capital letter, oranges capital letter, mangoes comma, and in the end full stop. Okay, so these your exercises over, children. Thank you, children. Have a good day.